I was just gifted this hammer drill for my review, and check this out. This one is really nice. It feels incredible in your hand. What I love the most is that they always think of the user. They give you 2 batteries. So one can be recharging while you're using the actual unit. So the charger is this thing right here. How you charge it, it's super easy. You've got kind of that little input right there. Charge that in and plug that into an outlet and you start charging. Now the other cool thing is that once you're on the unit, you've got a little button here that tells you how much charge you've got left on that battery. Let's see if I've got anything. That battery is dead. Perfect example. And we're gonna go like that. And then I've got, yep, look at that. I've got full battery right here. So that gives me an indication right away. Now you probably noticed already that as soon as I start the unit, there's a nice LED white light that will help, guide my work, like illuminate, kind of like if I'm in a darker environment, definitely that's gonna be super helpful. If I'm in a tight spot that doesn't have a lot of light, super cool. And the other thing, it is variable speed. So you do have those 2 speed right here. You've got 1 and 2, and that's also, you also get the torque speed. So I can actually have, I could do normal drilling, yes. So they do all of what I'm showing you here, by the way. This is also a first. It all comes with this stuff, which is cool. So you do have normal drilling. You do have hammer drilling as well. So I have 2 different types of drilling. The second one here is the regular drilling. The third one right here, that's the position I'm in right now. See? Is hammer drilling. And this is perfect if you're going to be going into concrete. It's actually going to hammer. It's not just drilling, it's actually going to kind of like perforate, which is great, great, great. So they do give you all of this stuff to get you started. Of course, it is compatible with so many different ones, different sizes as well, because the opening is adjustable right here, as you can tell. And also, they give you a nice little set of starter, kind of set for screwdriving, right? So any type of, you've got the flatheads, you've got the Phillips, you got it all. And then on top of that, they give you this. And for some people, you might just look at this and go like, what is this exactly? Well, this actually will fit right here, and you can actually, close it up. And what's going to happen is this is going to spin, but this whole thing is not going to spin. You can actually go like this, right? And have, check this out. I'm just going to grab, let's say the Phillips, put it right here, just like that. And now, let's say I'm trying to screw a screw that's like really hard to get, but also that's really not perpendicular to this machine, then I can actually go and go up top. And I'm actually going to do it right now because I think it's super cool. Let me go and do that right now so you can actually see it in action. So you're going to see this part, look at this. Pretty cool, right? So it's not straight. And obviously you can do so many different, like if I need to reach something that's somewhere behind somewhere, and I can just go and screw it. This is only for the screwdriver types. You cannot drill with this. Obviously, the drill is going to be straight in. But yeah, this little unit is super simple to use, very easy to charge. And the fact that they've got 2 different batteries, I think it's great. The batteries are 21 volts, which is enough power to do that hammer drilling, to do all of that different torques. Super, super cool. And you've got reverse and forward with this little button right here as well.